official radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 12:45 a.m. At 11:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gary to near Hopkins Park, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Portage, Valparaiso, Chesterton, Rensselaer, Limaught, Hebron, Wheatfield, Lakes of the Four Seasons, South Haven, Porter, Roselawn, Coutts, Burns Harbor, Ogden Dunes, Town of Pines, Beverly Shores, Hanging Grove, Wheeler, Collegeville, and Dune Acres. Including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 near mile marker 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 22 and 37. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 17 and 32. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 203 and 232. This includes Valparaiso University, Indiana Dunes State Park, and Porter County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm